Right, just a quick update on the old chop top to be, and also firstly thank you for the views yesterday on the video, and to Mr. Crocker, buymeacoffee.com. He bought me two, so that's Kimberly, Nathan, Mr. Crocker. Thanks very much. I'll put a link in the description for a chip in and buy me a coffee. Right, yeah, a lot of things going through my head. The workshop this week, or the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be sorting out all the scrap. No, not getting rid of all the beetles but one, or the gear, but all the offcuts, the rusty wings, doors. I've got an engine outside, big clear out, and I can put cars in their places ready to crack on with. And I'm doing that.
Ow! Oh God!
Freaking hell's that plastic bit? Where's a plate? Blame there's a claim. I've done it again. Blame there's a claim. Claim there's a blame. So I'm doing an air-cooled meet, invite only, because it's only a small place. I've got a couple of us that want to set up already, so which is good. So I'll put the invites out, just local people, Devon and Cornwall. I've got David coming down from Dorset, he's going to help, so thanks very much for that. Exciting. I can clear a load of stuff, projects, spares, and what have you, and you can set up your own store, and no doubt we'll supply some coffees and that. But anyway, chop top. Last Friday, welded a plate up there ready for the rear apron and the bumper brackets to fit. And today I finished up, this was a ball out, this big patch here. And if you remember, it had a bulge, and that's for the bar that goes across. Obviously we ain't got one, not many bugs have them. I can't remember the name now, that support bar type thing. So yes sir, so maybe a bit wet. It's patched because look at all these other patches. So what I'm going to do, I've got a little hole there, patch that up, grind all the welds back and just paint it. But inside, if you want to take a look on the other side, you can tell I've been grinding some filler off, look.
Am I looking?
Yeah, back corner. See the green? Now all that corner was under seal, and all I've done is put some fiberglass filler just to, well, match it all really. And all the back shelf will be painted. This become a solid bug pickup, and yeah, so it's just a quick video on the update. You're gonna have to drive it over. Yeah, thanks very much for all your support, Mr. Crocker. Brilliant, happy days. And yeah, Mark, who's also backed me on Amazon wishlist, so thanks very much, and thank you all for watching. And that's good enough support. Subscribers are going up. Let's crack on with some better videos, and see you on the next one.